Welcome to Prince Math Clinic, the e-learning solution at your pace and time.
Good day, viewers, and you are welcome once again to class. Here we have a question involving particle traveling along a straight line. A close examination of this question shows to us that this question is actually one of the applications of integration. And we know that integration is the reverse of differentiation. Having known that, let's go right into the solution of this particular question. It says a particle travels along a straight line with a velocity of 4t minus 3t squared, and you know the unit of velocity is 1 meter per second. Where t is in seconds, determine the position when t is 4 seconds, when position is 0, when time is what? 0. Good. We know that velocity is a function of time, and we are given that v is what? 4t minus 3t squared. That's the value for t. And we know that velocity again can be found even from the unit. You see meter over seconds, which means change in distance over change in time. So if I cross multiply, I will have ds equal to v dt. So if I integrate ds and I integrate v dt, integrate this from 0 to s and integrate this from 0 to t. Good. So if I integrate this, I'll get my s to be now 0. We were given that our t is 4. Then what's our velocity? 4t minus 3t squared. Then dt. Good. So having derived this, our journey begins. Now, we don't integrate a constant. So since we don't integrate a constant, I'll bring out that constant. So this is t, right? The t is distributed, right? Minus, then you bring a 3 out. Then t squared dt. To integrate, this is what we do in integration. If you are given x, to integrate x, the power that x carries here is 1. So you add 1 to that power. Then you divide by the sum of the powers, which is 1 plus 1, which is what? 2. If you are given, let's say 4x cubed, for instance, by the time you add 1 to this power, this becomes 3 plus 1, which is 4. This becomes 4x to the power of 4 divided by 4. 4 will now cancel 4. You have x to the power of 4 left. This becomes 4. The power here is 1. So you add 1 to 1. Then divide by the sum of this power. Minus 3. Then the power here is 2. 2 plus 1, you have 3. Then the sum of this power is what? Is 3. So 2 can go in 4 2 times. 3 here 1, 3 here 1. So this is now what? 2t squared minus t to the power of 3. Mind you, it is from what? 0 to 4 from our question. So that means that when our time is 4 seconds, when our time is 4 seconds, so you put anywhere you see t, put 4 squared minus, then t again, 4 cubed. Now 4 squared is what? 16. 16 times 2 is 32. Minus, then 4 to the power of 3. 4 times 4 is 16. 16 times 4 is 64. So 32 minus 64 gives us negative 32 meters. Here is how to interpret our result. We have gotten it as minus 32 meters. So you can draw a straight line if you wish. And you know this is a line, a straight line that has number. This is 0. This is the positive part of it. This is negative. So assuming you have your negative 32 here, then you have your positive 32 here. So it means that the particular particle traveled, you say your S is either what? 32 meters, then you put a direction. It traveled, because it is minus 32, so it traveled in the negative direction. Or you say it is negative 32 meters. Any one you write, you are correct, because that is what they said, determine the position, right? When t is what? 4 seconds. So the position is either it is in negative 32 or it is in positive 32. I hope the solution is helpful, and you'll find it helpful. Kindly hit the subscribe button if you have not done so. Click on the notification icon and share this video to your friends and loved ones. Bye for now.